Hi, my name is Samantha Del Rosario, and this is my Week 1 presentation for Political Science 493. In this presentation, I'm basically going to be talking about our state senator, member of Congress, county board of supervisors for my county, which is San Bernardino County, city councils, and our state senator and assembly member for the state of California. Because California is actually a big state, we have two federal senators. Our first is our senior senator, Dianne Feinstein. She was elected in 1992. She is currently 86 years old and represents herself as a Democrat. A little fun fact about Dianne was she discovered the body of Harvey Milk in a corner of his office after he was assassinated by Dan White. Our junior senator is Kamala Harris. She was elected in 2017. She is currently 54 years old and also represents herself as a Democrat. A little fun fact about Kamala is she was the first African American woman in history to be elected to the U.S. Senate and to serve as the Attorney General in the state of California. Our member of Congress is Ken Calvert. He represents the 42nd District. He's been serving since 1993. He's currently 66 years old and represents himself as a Republican. A little fun fact about Ken was he served as the chairman of the Space and Aeronautics Subcommittee, which oversees NASA, and in 2005 he introduced the first reauthorization bill of civilian space and aeronautics agency in 5 years. Like I said earlier, I'm in the San Bernardino County, living in Rancho Cucamonga. So these are my board of supervisors. We have Robert Lovingood, Janice Rutherford, Don Rowe, Kurt Hagman, and Josie Gonzalez. Their role is basically to go over the county taxes, the budgets, the property taxes. They basically deal with the lower level decisions and then they submit it up to the state to get approved. These are my city councils. We have Theodore Sanchez, Sandra Ibarra, Juan Figueroa, Fred Charette, Henry Nickel, Basine Richard, and James Mulvihill. Their role is just to help protect the public interest. They attend council meetings and serve in the committee. Our state senator is Pete Aguilar. He represents himself as a Democrat. He works in the 31st District. He's currently 40 years old and has been serving since 2015. Our assembly member is Eloise Rees. She also represents herself as a Democrat. She serves in the 47th District. She's currently 63 years old and she's been serving since 2016. That is the end of my slideshow. I hope you enjoyed.